What's the meaning of clergy? Clergy. Clergy.
Clergy. Clergy. The term clergy refers to a group of individuals who are ordained for religious service, typically within a Christian church. These individuals are responsible for leading religious services, administering sacraments, and providing pastoral care to members of their congregation. The clergy may include priests, pastors, ministers, or other religious leaders who have received formal training and have been granted authority by their respective religious institutions. Their role is to guide and support individuals on their spiritual journey, providing comfort and guidance in times of need and helping them to deepen their faith and relationship with God.